Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today, we're saying goodbye to regular pasta and hello to some awesome veggie alternatives. We're diving into the world of DIY veggie pasta, zoodles, and more. Get ready to turn your favorite vegetables into delicious, healthy noodles. We're talking zucchini noodles, carrot spirals, beetroot noodles, and more. These veggie alternatives are not only pretty, but they're also full of nutrients, vitamins, and fiber. So grab your peeler, your spiralizer, and your aprons, because we're about to make some healthy and tasty food. First, we're tackling zucchini. This versatile vegetable is not only nutritious, but also incredibly delicious when prepared correctly. Today, we're going to transform it into something extraordinary. Now, I know what you're thinking. Zucchini noodles? That's boring. But hold on, because we're about to change your mind. But trust me, if you cook them right, they're anything but boring. Zucchini noodles or zoodles can be a delightful and healthy alternative to traditional pasta. Grab a good spiralizer, not a cheap one, and spiralize those zucchinis into beautiful noodles. The quality of your spiralizer can make a big difference in the texture and appearance of your zoodles. Don't peel them. The skin adds a nice texture and color. Plus, it contains additional nutrients that are beneficial for your health. Now, listen up, because this is important. Don't overcook your zoodles. Overcooking can turn them into a mushy mess, and we want to keep them crisp and fresh. They only need a quick cook in a hot pan with a little olive oil. Just a couple of minutes will do the trick. You want them tender, not mushy. A slight bite to them is perfect, similar to al dente pasta. Zucchini is full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's a powerhouse of nutrition that can boost your overall health. It's low in calories and carbs, which is great if you're watching your weight. You can enjoy a generous portion without any guilt. You can toss your zoodles with your favorite pasta sauce, pesto, or even just some butter and fresh herbs. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and try different flavors. Experiment with different combinations to find what you love the most, and don't forget to season your food. A little salt and pepper can go a long way in enhancing the flavors. Salt and pepper are your friends. They bring out the natural flavors of the zucchini and make your dish more enjoyable. Now get those zoodles cooking and let's move on. With these tips, you'll be making perfect zucchini noodles every time. Next, we're turning carrots into pasta. Yes, you heard that right. Carrots can be transformed into a delicious and nutritious pasta alternative that will surprise your taste buds. And before you say no, let me tell you, this dish is amazing. It's not only visually appealing, but also packed with flavor and nutrients. You can use a spiralizer, but I like using a peeler to make long, wide carrot ribbons. It looks more elegant and gives the dish a unique texture that you just can't get with a spiralizer. Once you have your carrot ribbons, quickly boil them in water. This step is crucial as it softens the carrots, making them more pasta-like in texture. This will soften them up, but be careful not to overcook them. You want them to retain a bit of their crunch to mimic the al dente texture of traditional pasta. Now here's the fun part. We're going to cook those carrots in a pan with some sesame oil, grated ginger, and soy sauce. This combination of ingredients adds a savory depth to the sweet carrots. The heat will bring out the sweetness of the carrots, while the sesame oil and ginger add a delightful aroma and flavor. It's a perfect balance of sweet and savory. Carrots are full of beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for maintaining good health. Vitamin A is important for healthy eyes, skin, and a strong immune system. Including carrots in your diet can help you achieve these health benefits. You can serve your carrot pasta as a side dish or add some grilled chicken or tofu to make it a meal. The versatility of this dish makes it perfect for any occasion, so there you have it. Carrot pasta, simple, delicious, and good for you. Now get cooking and enjoy this sweet and savory delight with your loved ones. Chapter 3. Beetroot pasta. Earthy flavors, vibrant colors. In this chapter, we will explore the magic of beetroot and how it can transform a simple pasta dish into a vibrant, flavorful masterpiece. Now it's time for beetroot, a vegetable that people sometimes forget about. Despite its humble appearance, beetroot is packed with nutrients and has a unique earthy flavor that can elevate many dishes. We're going to turn this root into a vibrant and delicious pasta. The deep red color of beetroot not only makes the dish visually stunning, but also adds a subtle sweetness that pairs beautifully with various ingredients. First, we need to cook the beetroot. Cooking helps to soften the beetroot, making it easier to blend into a smooth puree that will coat the pasta evenly. Roasting is best because it brings out the sweetness. The natural sugars in the beetroot caramelize, enhancing its flavor and adding a depth that boiling just can't achieve. Wrap them in foil with some olive oil and roast them in a hot oven until they're soft. This method locks in moisture and ensures the beetroot remains tender and juicy. Once the beetroot is cool, use a mandolin to slice it into thin strips. These thin slices will blend more easily and create a smoother texture for the pasta sauce. If you don't have a mandolin, a sharp knife will work, but be careful. Precision is key to getting those perfect, even slices that will cook uniformly. Now here's where you can get creative. The beauty of beetroot pasta lies in its versatility. You can pair it with a variety of ingredients to suit your taste. Beetroot pasta goes well with lots of flavors. Its earthy sweetness complements both savory and tangy elements, making it a perfect base for numerous sauces and toppings. You can toss it with a simple dressing like olive oil, lemon juice, and fresh herbs for a light and refreshing meal. A creamy goat cheese sauce, which adds a rich, tangy contrast to the sweet beetroot. Or even a spicy arrabbiata sauce. The heat from the chili peppers in the arrabbiata sauce pairs wonderfully with the beetroot's natural sweetness. Beetroot is good for you too. It's not just about the taste and color. Beetroot is a nutritional powerhouse. It has fiber, folate, and nitrates, which can help lower blood pressure. These nutrients support overall health and well-being, making beetroot a great addition to your diet. So there you have it. A simple root vegetable transformed into a stunning and nutritious dish. Beetroot pasta. Good for you and looks great. Give it a try. You'll be amazed at how this earthy vegetable can bring vibrant colors and flavors to your table. Chapter 4. Sweet potato noodles. Comfort food gone healthy. Get ready for a game changer. We're turning sweet potatoes into noodles. This is comfort food without the guilt. You'll need a strong spiralizer for this one. Sweet potatoes can be tough. Spiralize them into thick noodles. Here's a trick. Toss the noodles with olive oil, salt, and pepper, then roast them in the oven until they're tender and a little caramelized. This makes them sweet and chewy. While they're roasting, let's make a sauce. I'm thinking creamy peanut butter and coconut milk with some chili. It's sweet, savory, and addictive. Sweet potatoes are full of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. They also have beta-carotene, which is good for your eyes, so forget regular potatoes and try sweet potato noodles. Chapter 5. Mixed veggie pasta, a rainbow on your plate. It's time to get artistic and create a colorful dish with veggie noodles. We're combining all the veggie noodles we've learned to make into one dish. Get creative with colors and textures. Combine zucchini noodles with beetroot pasta, sweet potato spirals, and carrot ribbons. Cook each type of noodle separately so they cook perfectly. Remember, zucchini and carrot noodles cook quickly, while beetroot and sweet potato noodles need more time. Once your noodles are cooked, toss them together with your favorite sauce. I like a lemon herb dressing, but you can use anything you like. This dish is full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So there you have it. Mixed veggie pasta, good for you and looks amazing. Create your own veggie noodle masterpiece. There you have it! We've explored the wonderful world of veggie pasta. Remember, these veggie alternatives aren't just about cutting carbs, they're about adding flavor, texture, and healthy stuff to your meals. So, ditch regular noodles and try veggie pasta. Experiment with different vegetables, sauces, and toppings. Get creative and have fun. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Leave a comment below and tell me about your veggie pasta adventures. Now get cooking and enjoy! If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more eco-friendly and delicious ideas to nourish yourself and sustain the earth. See you in the next video.